Hello, so we're currently here in Dumaluan Beach Resort. So Dumaluan is a public beach here in Panglao Island, Bohol. So let's take a look at the surroundings. So here are the cottages here in Dumaluan Beach Resort. Okay, so this is a public beach here in Panglao Island. So I guess this is a favorite go-to place of locals here in Panglao and in Bohol mainland. So this Dumaluan public beach is just beside Bohol Beach Club, our favorite resort here in Panglao Island, Bohol. So oops, sorry. So we're heading towards Bohol Beach Club. So we're now here in Bohol Beach Club. So this is the beach front of BBC. So it's very beautiful here.